It's come to my attention that there's a lot of you out there own pools, and even more of you don't like cleaning them. Meet your new best friend, the BeatBot Aquasense Pro. It's a pool cleaner that cleans the floor, the walls, the waterline, and it even does doggy paddle on the top and cleans the surface. So let's take it out, see what its features are, throw it in a pool, get it cleaning, see how good it is. All we need now is a pool. Now, packaging wise, there's a large recyclable component, which is good. There is still some poorly recyclable plastic in this product, but it's not as bad as some. Just what I was hoping to see, a nice dirty pool. Right, first things first, let's get this on charge, set up the app, and then let it go. What I like about the little charging station is it keeps the cord out of the way from tripping over. It means that it's got a lower profile and doesn't stick out into the pool deck. But most importantly, other pool vacuum cleaners require you to pull off a hatch and stick a plug into the machine that goes in the water. That's a point of water ingress that this doesn't have. Instead, it's just got two contact points. No plugs, no covers, no leaks. Now, the first thing you're going to do while it's charging is get out your phone, scan this little QR code, download the app. Yeah, there's always an app, isn't there? This app also requires 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection rather than 5. 2.4 is better for long distance small packet data, but it does mean if you're going to connect one of these things with a lot of modems, you have to reconfigure the modem, so that adds a bit of time to the setup. The advantage of having the app is that you can download new operating software, you can do updates, you can hunt out what error codes mean, and you can access instructions when you throw yours away. Now, before we sync it and start cleaning the pool, let's go over some of the stats. This little robot has more brushless motors than you can poke a stick at, 9 in total. But despite that, and despite their power, the battery's going to last 5.5 hours cleaning the floor of the pool, or up to 9 hours if you have it cleaning the surface. That's right, it'll skim the surface of the pool for you as well. Getting back to these little motors, they are so powerful that they're going to suck through 25,000 litres of your pool water every hour of cleaning time, meaning that it's going to cycle through the pool several times in a standard clean. You can also get clarifying agent that goes in this little front flap here, and we're going to stick that in for today. And that'll not only vacuum the pool, but clean it too. The catcher basket is a little bit smaller than some of the competition at only 3.5 litres, but it's got a great design where it's actually 2 parts and there's no need for a separate filter. When it comes time to cleaning, all you have to do is pull these apart, hose them out, stick them back together. Job's done. Okay, time to take it off charge, get it in the water. Using the robot is really, really easy. Just simply power it on, hold the power button for 3 seconds. The lights will flash for 5 seconds while it orients itself. This green strip up the top here should be solid green if it's fully charged. Once the lights finish flashing, hit the mode you want and put the robot in the water. Now, while the robot's over there doing its death spirals, let's talk about the sorts of pools it can clean. Apparently all of them. This pool's going to be a bit tricky because it doesn't have square corners down below, and that has created problems for other vacuums that I've tried in this pool. Apparently this one has multiple modes and it can cope with round corners in pools, but don't expect it to do your standard J-shaped pattern. It's going to do something completely different. This robot certainly seems to be a lot smarter at sensing steps and staying away from them. It's not getting stuck up on the steps. This Pebble Creek pool brings in an interesting range of features that have flummoxed some of its competition. The first feature that's been a real problem for several pool cleaners in this particular pool is this elongated bench seat just below waterline on 1/3 of the pool's side. This always catches out pool cleaning robots, turns them upside down, gets them stuck in their cords, or just generally gets them really confused about where they've cleaned and where they haven't. Turns out the little robot's processor is extremely powerful, and stairs, whether they were down low or up high, posed no problem to it at all. Also, check out how clear that water's getting. That clarifier seems to be doing something. Another feature of this pool that has caused concerns for robots in the past are the underwater lights. Other robots have not been able to get over the top of them and have not gone around them to clean this area above them. So it's going to be interesting to see if the BeatBot can get around that with its superior algorithms. Let's jump in and see how the robot works. Well, this is not your standard review. It's not 1 day later, it's not 2 days later, it's not a week later, it's 3 weeks later. And have a look at the pool. The owners have had this little robot in the economy mode, cleaning their pool automatically every second day and only having to recharge it once a week. Now, because it's in the economy mode, it actually docks on the bottom of the pool, but that's okay because you get a free hook in the package to fish it out, and we can have a little bit of a look at it. Come here, you. There we go. Did you miss me? G'day, Tim. How you going?
How you doing, mate? Good to see you.
I caught a fish and it was this big. How are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Now, you're the very, very patient owner of this pool, and you've allowed me to come in and out and try this and other robots out in this pool. You reckon this is probably the best one I've brought so far?
Yeah, I think it's really good, and it's great that you've come here to clean my pool, so I love it.
Well, there you go.
Really easy to use. Just charge it up, choose the mode you want, throw it in the pool, and honestly, it's the best it's looked for months, if not years, so I think it's doing a great job.
Now, I was a bit sceptical about it cleaning the surface, but it looks like it's keeping up with the leaves, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I run the regular filter as well, but yeah, it picks up the leaves, and we've had a few storms come through, so plenty of leaves off the trees.
We had a storm while I was setting this thing up.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So yeah, it has to cope with quite a bit of foliage around here, doesn't it? It's doing quite well. It normally docks on the side of the pool here, and you can just pick it up.
Yep.
But when it's in economy mode, it docks down the bottom, and you need the hook.
Yeah, so it just, in the economy mode, it just works its way around the bottom of the pool. When it runs out of battery, it comes to the surface and you can just pull it out, recharge it, and away you go.
Have you seen much change in the clarity of the pool with the clarifier in it?
Yeah, I think so. Definitely now, you know, it's very clear. You can see right the way through the water. It's the clearest I've seen it for a long time. So
yeah, right.
I think the combination of, you know, it's got the 2 filters.
Yes.
When you clean them out, you can see the stuff on the finer filter and in the coarser filter. So it's definitely taking stuff out of the water, and I think the clarifier is probably helping as well. So yeah, it's been good.
Well, Tim, I'll leave this with you for a little bit longer, mate. Thank you very much for allowing us to use your pool.
I'll keep having a play. Thank you.
This is a cool little robot. Not only does it brush the floor, the walls, the waterline, and chew up junk on the surface with these 4 independently powered sweepers, it's got a heap of suction. It's got a really good sized little filter basket. Have a look at the haul from last time. And it's also got the ability to put clarifying agent into the water of your pool. And because it cycles through 25,000 litres an hour, it's going to clarify your pool real quick. So it not only sweeps, it not only vacuums, but it also clarifies. Check out the haul from just 1 cleaning cycle. That's pretty impressive. It's not only getting the leaves, but it's getting a whole heap of small stuff as well with this 2 filter design. done. Well, it's done a great job. It started pouring down. There's still a few leaves to go that have freshly fallen in since the last time. So there's nothing for it except to turn the little thing on, wait for it to go through its warm-up, then hit the mode you want, let her rip. My pool cleaning's done. I don't have to get any wetter. Guys, if you like this kind of review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you know someone with a pool and they're lazy, make sure you send them this video.